It's team time. It's team time. It's team time. Hey, hey, hey. It's team time. It's team time. It's team time. Hey, hey, hey. Lights, color, shadows. Can you guess what all of those things have in common? If you guess light, great job! Let's explore. To begin, we will start by going over the design process, followed by saying what STEAM stands for. The design process is something we, as engineers and scientists, will use every time we create or do an experiment. Feel free to say each step with me. With any project, we are going to A. Ask, what is the problem or what am I trying to create or solve? B. Brainstorm. How can I solve or make what I am trying to create? C. Collect. I will collect information, data, or use prior knowledge to help me create. D. Develop. Start creating your project. E. Evaluate. What works? What doesn't work? And what can I do to make it better? F. Fine-tune. I will try again until my design is where I want it. STEAM stands for science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Great job! This is my favorite time. It is student question box time where we want to hear from you guys. So I'm going to my box and I've had some great questions. You guys have done a great job. So proud of you. So let's see. All right. Oh. All right, so it looks like today we have a question from Mrs. C class at Esperanza, and they ask, why is the sea blue? Great question. We are going to be talking about lights, color, and shadows all through this unit. So thank you for asking. Let's explore. Light. Not only does it help us see in the dark, it helps us see color, and it creates shadows. Light is a form of energy that makes vision possible. Energy is the ability to do work. We are able to see light by invisible waves called electromagnetic waves. Let's say electromagnetic waves together on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Electromagnetic waves. Wonderful. Electromagnetic waves are forms of moving energy, which is the ability to do work, that helps us see color. Today, we're going to focus on light and color. Take some time to discuss with your class about what you think light is and where light comes from. Wow, you guys are using your thinking caps. Great job. Did you know that all light has to come from a source? A source is a place where something begins or is created. Light comes from sources like the sun, a light bulb, a flashlight, and fire. Last week, in our student shout-outs, many of you asked about the sun, that we learned is a star. Did you know that the sun also helps us see? You see, although the sun may look yellow, it is actually known to have what scientists call white light. White light is a mix of all the colors of the rainbow. Can you name all the colors of the rainbow? Pause and discuss with your class now. Roy G. Biv is a nickname for the rainbow. That is because each letter in the nickname stands for a color. You can say the colors with me if you know it. R, red. O, orange. Y is yellow. G, green. B, blue. I is indigo. And V, violet. Way to go! To help us understand how white light from the sun and electromagnetic waves help us see color in the rainbow, we're going to do a quick class exploration. So for this class exploration, you will need a prism, the sun, and your eyes. So step 1, your teacher will take out your class prism. And a prism is a special piece of glass or any other see-through material that bends light and helps us see each color of the rainbow. Remember electromagnetic waves, energy that helps us see color? Well, each color we see has waves that move fast or slow, and waves that are short or long depending on the color we see. Step 2, go outside or to a place where the sun is shining and observe what happens. Make sure you bring your design process notebook with you to write or draw what you see. Great exploring, scholars! Before we begin our challenge, let's go over a few more things you need to know about light and color. When all light can go through an object, that object is transparent, meaning you can see through the other side of that object. Say transparent with me on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Transparent! Now, when only some of the light can go through an object, that is called translucent. Say translucent. 1, 2, 3. Translucent. Perfect. And lastly, any object that doesn't allow any light to pass through and blocks the light is called opaque. Say opaque. Opaque. Excellent. As we can see with my book here, there isn't any light going through the other side. And when I hold the book like this, it casts a shadow. In your design process notebooks, write or draw 3 different objects. 1 that is transparent, 1 that is translucent, and 1 that is opaque that you see in your classroom. Amazing job, STEAM scholars. If you need more time to find objects, that's okay. You can finish later. Now that you know about light, how light helps us see color, and transparent, meaning all light can pass through, translucent, only some light can pass through, and opaque objects, meaning that no light can pass through and sometimes cast a shadow. Let's begin our challenge. For this challenge, we are going to explore the A, which is the art in STEAM, and create our own insect that lights up. Insects that light up that we may see are called lightning bugs or fireflies. Fireflies have a special chemical reaction that takes place in their lower abdomen that causes it to light up. Since this is your creation, you can create your own insect of choice. Use your design process notebook to sketch what you would like to create. Remember to use each step in your design process and think about the supplies you have. For this project, you will need a plastic egg, glue, googly eyes, 2 pipe cleaners, scissors, a ruler, a tea light, and duct tape. You can take time to sketch now. So step 1, now that you have designed your insect, take your pipe cleaners and your ruler, and you're going to cut them into however many pieces you would need for legs and antennas. I'm gonna measure about 1 inch for each of my legs. Maybe 1.5 inches. Now you are going to take your plastic egg and decide which way you want to place the face and which way you would like to place the light. So this side is going to be my face side, and this side is going to be my light side. Once you have decided, use glue to place your googly eyes on your insect. Now you are going to take a marker and draw a smiley face or a mouth on your insect. And you can even add a nose if you would like. Remember, it's your creation. Now, step 5, we are going to glue your legs and your antennas on your insect. And you can even make cute little feet by bending your pipe cleaner. So you can take your pipe cleaner and take the end of it and bend it up. Remember to take your time, it's okay. Things fall off. Be patient with yourself and keep going until you get it right. So now that you have your insect where you want it to be, you're going to take a piece of duct tape and cut out a wing design. And we are going to place it on our insect. And don't place it in the middle where you have to open it just yet, because now we are going to add in our tea light to the back of our insect. So you'll need to open it and place your tea light back there. Turn it on first. And then I'm gonna place my light in the back. Miss Wilson's legs fell off, so I'm going to put them on again. Remember, take your time, be patient. And now you can close your egg and you have your very own lightning bug or firefly. I hope you enjoyed learning about light today. Remember that light is everywhere and helps us do so much, including the ability to see color. Please look over your STEAM career cards and let me know what career you are interested in when I visit your class via Zoom. Will you be an optical engineer, an electrician, a physicist, or an electrical engineer? Have fun exploring with your new knowledge of transparent, which means that all light can pass through, translucent, only some light can pass through, and opaque, meaning no light can go through it, and sometimes it casts a shadow. Also, go over if your insect is transparent, translucent, or opaque. Where will your insect live, and what will it help you see? Remember to write any new questions or thoughts you have in your design process notebook. Until next time, my STEAM scholars, be great and keep exploring. Bye-bye.